Hello guys, welcome back to our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we will going to see the next question, that is program to reverse a string. So guys, let's start. So suppose we are given a string as let's find course, then we have to print the string in the reverse order. Okay, so this is our task. So how we are going to solve this? Let's see. So first we have to declare an string variable in which we are storing the original string, right? Then we are calculating the length of the string. Okay, suppose we are given a string let's find course, then we will calculate its length. Then what we will do, we will swap the first and last character. Okay, so till the half length of a string, what we will do, we will swap the first and last character, that is each and every character. Like first character will be replaced by last character, second character will be replaced by the last second character. We are basically swapping the number, swapping the characters. Like L is replaced by E, we will swap this both the number. Like in place of L we will having E, and in place of E we will be having L. So we are just swapping the numbers, right, from starting to end, right? So from starting we will picking, and from the end we will replacing. So in that scenario we will replace each and every character. Okay, so here you can see define two variables start and end. Okay, then suppose let's find course has a length of 14, then we will swap the 0th character with 13th, first character with 12th, and the loop will iterate till half length. Okay, so till half length we will be swapping the characters with the other half length, right? So iterating and incrementing the looping value. Okay, so this is all about how we are going to solve this question. Okay, that means we are just swapping the values from starting to the end. Okay, so here you will find its algorithm. Let's understand with the help of code. Here you can find the code in C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, PHP. So we are going to explain code in C programming language. Will copy this code and will try to run in online C compiler. Here you can see our code is there. So here we have taken an string variable which contain our string, that is reverse the string. We are going to swap this string, right? Then we have initialized some variables. Then we have checked the count of that string, right? So we will check the length of a string, right? That is length. What is the length of this string? Then we will iterate loop. Okay, so we will, what we are doing, we are swapping the first to the last, right? So here we will swap the characters in the string. So we will use a temporary variable to do that. Okay, so we will store that the initial variable in some temporary variable, then we will assign, and in this way we are going to swap. Okay, so starting and end, right? So always we are going to increment from this end, and we are going to decrement from this end, right? For first character we have to replace with G, second character we have to uh, swap with N, third character we have to swap with I. So in that order we are going. So for that purpose this looping is used. Okay, so then after that we are printing the our string, right? So let's try to execute this code. So yeah, you can see that we have reversed the string, right? So this is how our code is for reversing a string, right? I hope you understand the code. If you have any doubt, you can mention that in comment section. Thanks a lot.